Hello, this is James from Mode Lighting, and in this video we're going to be covering Dali Commissioning. The first steps for Dali Commissioning are always to test the Dali loop and make sure that all the fittings are actually turning on and off. This can be done from the front of the module. Press the tick button, it will say Setup. Press the middle button until it gets to Test. Press the tick button again, it will say Identify. Press the tick button, it will say Channel, and then down to Broadcast, and then tick On and Set, and then you should see the lights start to flash. If the whole loop is flashing, you know that the loop is ready to go. If any of the fixtures are not flashing at this point, make sure that the connections are checked and any faulty fittings are replaced. Now we can go back into eDIN. We can add a UBC into the program, make sure it's on the correct address. Go to the spanner icon on the UBC, and then scroll down and start to add in your circuit names for your Dali. In this example, we'll be making 3 circuits. Once your circuits are created, hit OK, and then your changes will update. Next, we need to go up to the Health and Repair section, then go to the Dali Commissioning tab, click past the message that explains that we know what we're doing, and then the basic Dali interface will be shown. At the bottom of the module dialog, click on Find All Ballasts, and then wait for all of the ballasts to be found. Once all the ballasts are found, then you can click the Accept the new and lost ballasts as OK. So our list of ballasts has now been added to the UBC. They're all unassigned at this point, so we need to assign them. We can click on the Assign Unassigned Ballasts, and then a new Ballast Locator dialog will come up. Half the fixtures will turn on, and half of the fixtures on the loop will turn off. Be underneath one of the lighting fixtures and look at what it's doing at this time. And if it is on at this moment, you would hit yes, and if it is off, you would hit no. So in this case, the fixture was off, so no. The lamps left will change to another group. Again, we answer the same question, is the light on or off? And in this case, the answer is yes. Then the next part of the pattern will happen, and we have to again answer the same question. And in this case, the answer was no, and no again. And finally, we're down to one fixture, and the answer is yes. So we know we have located the ballast on address 7. We then get a drop-down dialog to say what channel do we wish to assign this to. We can click into this tab, and then we can assign it to whichever one we want. In this case, I'm going to pick Dali Circuit 1. And then hit OK. The Dali ballast will program, and then the system will carry on going through all the rest of the unassigned ballasts. You will follow the same procedure, one fixture at a time, until they have all been located. If at any point you need to, you can close down the dialog, and the little spot next to the channel name, you can tap on and off to make all of the lights in that group turn on and off for testing purposes. You can also turn the entire loop on and off for testing within this dialog. And that's everything in the basic Dali Commissioning dialog. If you need to work in a little more detail, you can go and click at the top here on Advanced Commissioning. Now we can see every individual fixture and what group they are assigned to. You have an option for a new commission, which can also have the option to show progress on lamps if needed, and this will wipe all current data. In Advanced Dali Commissioning, if we actually go and click on the little dot next to BST Dali Broadcast, this time instead of just being a click on and off, this will instead flash the lights on and off for the entire loop. You can also flash individual fixtures one at a time and go and locate them, and then click on the group option and then select what group you wish to add them to manually and hit OK. This is handy if you have not been able to locate where a particular fixture is. You can also flash an entire group. As previously, you can use the Assign to Groups option and do the yes, no to find lamps as previous. There's also an option to list commissioning data, where you can have a look at every long address of a fixture and what groups they're attached to if you need to. If you're having problems for any reason, but you feel like the loop is complete and is testing okay, there are some advanced search options that you can use. If you go and click in here in the advanced search, select Fix Bad and Unassigned Short Addresses, Force a Long Search, and Reset All the Ballasts. I would tick all 3 of these and then hit yes. This will wipe all of your fixtures, but it may help with some fixtures that maybe keep giving you problems. Once all of your fixtures have been found and assigned to groups, your Dali commissioning is done. Thank you for listening, and please like and subscribe for more content.